Alright, let's see if I can make this Poulan Pro bark. 42cc Poulan Pro chainsaw. Let's make her bark. See if she'll fire up. It's been a while since I had her running. See if she'll bark. Take a little bit to get her to fire over here. We'll see. It's been a while since she's ran. Let her warm up a little bit here. A little bit heavy on the oil and the gas in this one. Might flood a little bit. Might foul up. Let her warm up. Gonna make some noise. Let her bark. Alright, I gotta get set up here and we're gonna do what we gotta do here.